Ozzy, come here. Ozzy. Ozzy. Dylan, stop. Dylan is still sleeping. Ozzy, come here.
He's a person.
What are you wearing? Ozzy, look at me. What are you wearing? A sweatshirt? Silly dog.
No, I put that on. He didn't love it, but I.
Yeah, I know that. Put the hood up.
Okay. Now he's a homie. Okay, Ozzy, you're a homie. See?
He's chewing on it, just so you know that.
Ozzy, don't. No, here, I'll zip it.
Oh yeah, good luck zipping it.
You don't belong in here.
Stop.
You've been figuring out where your mom was instead of looking at those dumb earrings. I know. Give me a break.
Come here, Ozzy. Come here, Ozzy.
Come on, go.
Come here. Stop.
Guys, go.
Come here, Ozzy. What is that, huh? Ozzy, sit. Ozzy, sit.
Sit. Sit.
Sit. Good sit. Lay down. Good boy.
I zipped it up.
What's the matter? You don't like that?
You don't like it? Here, let me put your hood up.
Sit.
Put your hood
Ozzy, sit. Sit. Now try to put the hood up.
Put your hood up.
Although this is being videotaped. Ozzy, look at mommy. Ozzy.
Ozzy, stop.
Don't yell. Ozzy. Hi, buddy. What did Dylan do to you? What? What did Dylan do to you, buddy? Huh?
Are you a human being? That's an owl.
Sit. Sit.
Down.
Sit.
For a walk, Condi? Wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? For a walk? Okay.
Alright, he's going in there. Shoot.
Okay, Ozzy, say bye-bye. Sit. Good sit. Good boy. You're such a good boy.